In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Wix Bookings Appointment Scheduling. To get started, open your Wix dashboard and go to Booking Services. This is where you create and manage the services that clients can book on your site. Once you are there, click Add a new service. Wix will then ask you to choose the type of service you want to offer. You can select an appointment, a class, or a course, depending on how your business works. After choosing the format, enter the basic details for the service. Add a clear title so clients immediately understand what they are booking. Then set the duration, which tells Wix how long the session will last. You will also enter the price, so your booking page shows the cost up front. Taking a moment to fill these details out carefully helps create a smoother booking experience for your clients. Next, go to Booking Settings and then Staff. This section is important because it controls when your team is available for bookings. Set each staff member's weekly work shifts so Wix knows which time slots can be offered to clients. You can also sync Google Calendars here. That helps prevent scheduling conflicts by keeping your staff availability aligned with their existing calendar events. If you have multiple team members, make sure each profile is set up correctly so appointments are assigned accurately. Once your availability is in place, move to Settings and then Accept Payments. Here you can connect a payment gateway so clients can pay when they book. This is a key part of the setup because it allows you to collect payments directly through your Wix site. Be sure the payment method you connect matches how you want to charge for your services. After that, go to Booking Settings and open the booking form. This is where you customize the information clients must provide before confirming a booking. You can adjust the contact details that are required and add questions that help you prepare for the appointment in advance. For example, this can help you gather the right information before the session without needing to follow up later. Once these sections are set up, your Wix Bookings appointment scheduling system will be much more organized and ready for clients to use. The main goal is to make bookings simple for your customers while keeping your schedule, staff availability, payments, and client information all in one place. That covers everything you need to know.